Hello friends, today is 15 February 21 and today I'm taking you to the Omin cue factory in Thailand where there is the biggest snooker cue manufacturer in Thailand, and I will show you the factory, how the cues are made and how everything goes on in there. And I hope all of you enjoy it with me, and see you soon, and I will show you how we get there. Okay friends, so here we are. I've reached the Omin Cue factory. I'm in the parking right now, and this was a 30 minutes, almost 35 minutes drive to Minburi from my condo in Bangkok. So it's Minburi is like a suburb of Bangkok, and once I get in, I'll get you more pictures. This is the Omin Cue factory. This is the gate. So this is the factory. It's the temple. Normally all Thai people have a small temple built outside their home or office. This is all the wood used in the manufacturing of cues. It starts its journey here. It's all hard work done by hand. Okay, we're having lunch. The twins. พี่ตุ้มสวัสดีครับ สวัสดีครับ
อ๋อครับดูไลฟ์เหรอ
ไม่ไลฟ์ทำวิดีโอ
อ๋อ
This is the lady if you want to buy the cue. พี่ตุ้ม you need to talk to her.
กินข้าวก่อนกินข้าวก่อน
Let's take you inside the factory. Now it's probably the lunchtime I'm here. Sawadee krab. สบายดีไหมครับ Signed by all the Omin Cue board is signed by all the big players. That's it. Mr. O himself. His name is O and he's from Minburi. So he's used the name Omin. That's how the name comes for Omin Cues, and this is the factory area. It's lunchtime right now. So all the workers are having lunch. And let's go inside and see PO. We call him PO. Sawadee krab. Oh, this is the big Mr. PO. And Suk Chali, Dichawat, Pom Chang's big brother. These are all the cues displayed at Omin factory. These are all the queues which are on order by people and under production, or have been ordered by, custom ordered by players or sellers around the world. Here are yet more queues on order in the inside vault. I am giving a deep insight into the Omin Q factory. These are some cases, and these are accessories, chalks, pouches, soft Q cases, Omin Q towels, these are the woods used in the splices of the cues. This is the wood for the hunter cues. Show you around the Omin Q factory. Oh, these are all my
นี่ครับยังเขากิน
สวัสดีครับ
ยังดีถ้าเรียนดีเลยเนี่ยถ้าเรียนไม่เก่งเลย
So he's finishing the queue, polishing the queue.
ตายแล้วตังมาซื้อน้ำนะ
This is the best technician in Omin. He works on the lathe.
หายไปเลยอ่ะ
ครับ All the Omin cues are fully customizable as per your needs. You can, they can.
จับนะพอจับก็มันรู้เลยว่า
Omin Ultimate Cube. This is the top of the line Omin Cube. I will be reviewing each model separately. And here's somebody testing the cube. Hey, เป็นไงบ้าง ดีไหมครับ
ก็